A bold vision would soon redefine engineering by building Earth's tallest skyscraper ever imagined.
Survey engineers precisely mapped every detail before construction officially began across the massive site.
Keep pushing it there. All right, I'm swinging it over now. Watch your distance, load the truck.
Massive excavation revealed the enormous foundation required for an unprecedented skyscraper rising skyward.
The depth is confirmed. Let's record the bedrock composition.
Coordinates match. The geological data is sound.
Main unit, report depth and pressure.
Thousands of steel reinforcements formed the strongest foundation ever engineered beneath the city. Millions of liters of concrete created the strongest skyscraper foundation ever constructed successfully.
The completed foundation prepared the city for history's tallest architectural achievement ever constructed.
Hold it there. Ready to connect. Check the rigging. Just a little more. Okay, lock it.
Reinforcements are secure. Lower the concrete bucket. Opening the pour now. Perfect alignment.
The reinforced concrete core climbed relentlessly, transforming ambitious plans into towering engineering reality today. Massive steel columns created the powerful skeleton, supporting unprecedented architectural heights above safely.
Each completed floor strengthened the skyscraper's incredible rise toward record-breaking global engineering history.
Engage hydraulics. Check pressure. Pressure. Verified. Position locked. Good to proceed.
Powerful wind-resistant bracing secured the tower against nature's strongest future forces with confidence.
The rapidly growing skyscraper already transformed the city's skyline beyond recognition completely today.
Keep it steady. Down a little. Got it. Looks aligned. Looks good from here. Ready for next one. Keep it steady. Watch the cables. All right, lowering now. Check the alignment on the north side.
The colossal skyscraper proudly dominated the skyline, announcing engineering history in spectacular fashion forever. The colossal skyscraper proudly dominated the skyline, announcing engineering history in spectacular fashion forever. The soaring skyscraper finally surpassed every surrounding tower, redefining the city's skyline forever today.
Line it up, steady. We got it. Tighten it down. Clear the hook.
The spectacular sky lobby emerges, offering breathtaking views above the expanding modern metropolis. Brilliant glass panels transformed the tower into a shimmering architectural masterpiece, reflecting endless skies. The magnificent glass facade rapidly climbed higher, transforming engineering into architectural beauty completely today.
The laser shows it's off by 2 millimeters. Adjust the angle slightly. Recording that adjustment. Verified. It's perfectly aligned now.
The skyscraper pierced the clouds, approaching heights never before achieved by humanity successfully today.
The iconic architectural crown started shaping the skyscraper's unforgettable global identity proudly above today. Only the final architectural masterpiece remained before history would forever change the skyline. The world watched eagerly as the final record-breaking construction phase prepared to begin tomorrow.
The magnificent crown completed the tower's iconic silhouette above the modern global skyline forever.
Engaging lift. Slow and steady.
Alignment check. Green. Confirmed.
Spire secured. Release tension. Success.
History changed forever as humanity completed the tallest skyscraper ever successfully constructed on Earth.
The panels are perfect. Let's move down one section. Check the seal here. All clear.
Advanced intelligent systems prepared the skyscraper for efficient operation throughout future generations worldwide, together.
The completed skyscraper proudly welcomed visitors as a symbol of extraordinary human engineering achievement.
Brilliant architectural lighting transformed the world's tallest skyscraper into an unforgettable nighttime landmark permanently. Human determination forever reshaped the skyline through visionary engineering, innovation, and extraordinary perseverance together.